Hello, hello, Facebook world. So I got a nice big Young Living box today, which I'm, always excited about getting my monthly wellness boxes. And I like to unbox them here on Facebook because sometimes you guys might want to see what I got, and also I like to share the ways that I use all these amazing natural products. So let's just dive in and see what I got this month. I got my 2-pack of Ninja Red, which if you are familiar with Young Living, you know it's their super antioxidant, immune boosting kind of supplement drink where you drink just a shot glass worth full a day. Hello. And it really just helps with your overall wellness and your energy level and your immune boosting support. So I got a 2-pack, and just for my team that might want to check it out because you get little packets in your kit, it comes in 2 bottles and you just drink about a shot glass worth a day. It's jam-packed with antioxidants. It gives you, energy support, mood support. It's super awesome, and it tastes super good. It's got tons of different berries in it, and the Ninja Red Wolfberry. So that's something I don't like to go without, and I like to have it every day. So that was my first thing in my box that I got. The second thing that I got is something new that I'm pretty excited about. I'm trying Young Living's insect repellent this month, or for the summer. I ordered it now because there's a good chance it's going to go out of stock, because that's kind of how it works. It seems like the things during the season go out of stock. So this is just completely natural and DEET free and doesn't have the toxic chemicals. It's made with essential oils, and I've always made my own recipes with Young Living oils for when I'm going outdoors and things, and I've always been really, really happy with that. But I just love the convenience of having it ready made, and I don't have to bust out all my recipes and stuff. So I'm giving that a shot this month. Let's see what else is in here. These are usually supplement tubes. Yep. Okay, so I always order Sleep Essence. It's amazing. My husband loves it. It helps you to sleep really well. It has vetiver and lavender and valerian, and it also has melatonin in it. So it helps you to get a good night's rest without feeling like really groggy in the morning. And then I get Life 9. This is Young Living's really awesome probiotic. And if you're not taking a probiotic, you should be, because our guts, our immune system comes from our gut, and a lot of our moods and things like that come from our gut. And if your gut flora is all mixed up with the bad bacteria versus good bacteria, it's no good for you. And this just keeps the good bacteria flowing in your digestive tract, which is always good. All right. Everybody enjoying this amazing spring weather? When I get done doing this, I'm going for a walk. Superbe. Superbe is an awesome supplement. It's just packed with all different kinds of B vitamins. And if you have never checked it out, a lot of B vitamins on the market are made with synthetic vitamins that do not have good stuff in them. And this is all natural, made from natural vitamin Bs. It has B12, it has B6, it has folate, which is the natural version of folic acid, is kind of the generic synthetic. And so this is just a super great B supplement vitamin, and B vitamins are so good for stress and, just life, right? And then I got Mineral Essence, which I used to have all the time and I ran out. I love to add this to my Ninja Red, the drink that I was talking about. A lot of our diets are really depleted in minerals because the soil is not, they farm and they use the same soil over and over again. And so this just is jam-packed with all kinds of different minerals that our bodies need. And I always feel good when I'm using it. So I added that back to my order because I ran out. Let me just grab the rest of this stuff, and I'm going to get this box out of the way. So let's see. I got this month, you always get freebies with Young Living. when you order a certain amount, and because I love their products so much, I usually always get the freebies. So this month they were giving away 4 dryer balls, wool dryer balls, so I got 4 of those. This is a great way if you've never gotten wool dryer balls. They're a great way you can add essential oils and put them in your dryer and just not use dryer sheets or fabric softener, because that stuff is jam-packed full of chemicals that sit in your clothes and then get in your body, and you really don't want those. So the dryer balls were free this month, which was really, really cool. And then I got some oils. And I actually had a friend who wanted to order cedarwood and rosemary. She's trying to a hair recipe. Cedarwood and rosemary are both super great for really giving you a lot of body and thickness to your hair. So these 2 are actually for my friend. And cedarwood is actually really great. It helps your body produce its own natural melatonin too. So oils are always versatile, and there's lots of different things that they do because God made plants amazing. So if you haven't checked out oils, you really, really should. And I got some more. I got some free stuff. So I got tea tree oil. This was free from Young Living, along with the dryer balls this month. And tea tree oil is just so awesome for so many things. Most people know about tea tree oil, so I'm not going to go into it. I got goldenrod this month. I'm excited. This oil is out of stock for a while, but I'm not going to tell you what this is for, but you should go check out and find out and ask my friend Lucy Libido, and she'll know. All right, then I've got just a couple more oils here, except I can't get them out of these fun tubes. Fennel. Fennel was another free one this month. Fennel is really good for digestion and digestive support, and I've also heard that it's good for nursing mothers. I'm not a nursing mother right now, but just thought I'd throw that out there for you that are watching and wondering what you would use fennel oil for. And the last oil I got also for free is basil. Basil is great for cooking. This is Basil Vitality, so you could use it in recipes, any Italian recipes or any recipes that call for basil. And I know basil is also great in the diffuser for focus. So it's in one of the blends, Clarity, that I like to diffuse a lot when I'm homeschooling with my son. So that was my order. Pretty exciting. I love getting the free things. So just going over all the free things I got again this month. I got 4 dryer balls and 3 free oils, which is always awesome. Young Living is super generous. I hope you've enjoyed unboxing my Essential Rewards order, my monthly order this month. And if you're catching the replay, or if you're catching it at the end, you can always watch the replay. Hope you guys have a good day. I'm going to get out for a walk now because it is beautiful outside.